If you're looking for the best electric tea kettle with infuser, you are in a right place. The main role of an electric tea kettle is to heat water as fast as possible, and its infuser allows you to use loose tea in a better way. That's why we have prepared a list of the best electric tea kettles with infuser, which can really help you find your favorite one. Let's watch the video. Welcome to Best Get. We review kitchen and dining products. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Number 1. Taylor Swoden Small Electric Kettle with Tea Infuser. I'm always looking for an easy way to make tea, and this is a great product. I've made several cups of green tea with it this week, and it's been very convenient. The kettle heats up quickly, and the removable tea infuser is easy to clean. I also like that this kettle has a button to turn on the keep warm function. You simply press the button once, and the water stays hot for up to an hour. That's great if you're too busy to get back to your tea right away, or if you want it ready when you get back from work or shopping. Plus, the kettle itself looks nice and is easy to use. It comes with a handbook with directions for how long to boil water for different types of tea and which types of teas are best suited for this type of kettle. The only thing I would change about this product is the design. I think it could be more attractive. It's not bad looking, but it's not as nice as some of the other products in stores these days. But overall, I'm happy with this purchase. Number 2. Aigostar Electric Kettle Temperature Control and Tea Infuser. This is a great kettle for the price. It is made of thickened borosilicate glass and food-grade 304 stainless steel, BPA-free and corrosion resistance. A removable tea infuser lets you brew loose leaf or bagged tea directly in the kettle, no messy splashing. The inner material of the tea maker is high-quality food-grade 304 stainless steel, which can last long time use. Besides, this electric tea maker comes with a removable infuser which can make your tea taste better than other ordinary kettles. The temperature control function of this electric kettle allows you to set your preferred temperature to make a different kind of tea, such as black, green, white, herbal, oolong, and so on. The kettle will automatically shut off after 30 seconds when it boils at the preset temperature. This Aigostar electric tea kettle is completely safe to use as it passed C and RoHS certification. The electric kettle uses 11 watts to boil the water within minutes, and it's equipped with 360-degree swivel power base that makes the Aigo tea kettle easier to place. Number 3. Viante Electric Glass Kettle with Removable Infuser. The Viante Electric Glass Kettle with Removable Infuser can be used to heat water for a variety of purposes, including tea, instant noodle soup, and powdered baby formula. The kettle is made from glass and has a stainless steel handle. It comes with an infuser basket that can be used for loose leaf tea or tea bags. The basket's mesh material allows the water to flow through while keeping the tea leaves in place. The removable basket is easy to clean because it can be placed in the dishwasher. Testers said they liked how the kettle heated water quickly and quietly. They also liked how the kettle had a keep warm feature that maintained the water temperature for 30 minutes after the kettle was shut off. The kettle has 4 preset temperatures for white, green, oolong, and black tea, as well as coffee brewing. Testers said the preset buttons are easy to use, although they sometimes accidentally change the settings when removing or replacing the infuser basket. Testers said they would recommend this product to others, saying it's a nice addition to anyone's kitchen. Number 4. Chefman Electric Glass Kettle with Removable Tea Infuser. This glass electric kettle is an excellent choice for a person who wants to avoid plastic in their life. Unfortunately, it may be difficult to find a kettle that has no plastic parts. This kettle has a plastic lid, and the temperature control device is made of plastic. The base and handle are stainless steel, however, and the removable infuser and lid are made of glass. The water heats up quickly and will remain hot for up to 60 minutes if you set it to the keep warm setting. The kettle also has 5 different colored LED lights that correspond to the ideal temperatures for your best brew. The lid on this kettle is also completely removable. Just press the button on the top of the handle and lift it off, then take out the metal filter basket inside. It makes filling it a lot easier than with a lot of other kettles I have tried. Number 5. Icookpot Multi-Use Electric Kettle. Icookpot is a multifunction electric kettle which can boil water or cook food, made of 304 grade stainless steel body. With strong capacity of 2.8 liters and 18-watt large power, this electric kettle will save you a lot of time when you have a meal. The temperature control function of this teapot allows you to select the temperature according to the kind of food and drinks that you need to cook, ensuring your food is cooked well and tasty. Besides, this electric tea kettle is also very useful when you are in an office or dormitory and want a cup of hot tea, coffee in the winter. This electric kettle uses high-quality stainless steel material, making it more durable than plastic body. It has 16 smart built-in programs which include boiling water for green tea, black tea, white tea, and more. The lid can be removed easily when you want to pour out some hot water or make some tea or coffee. It's designed with a large opening, so it's convenient to add things like tea bags or sweeteners without spilling anything out of the pot. Thanks for watching. If you need more information, feel free to visit the link in the description box or the comments below. If this information helps you make the right decision, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. That's encouraged me to create more.